This bubbling cheese is just perfect for making pizzas, a fact that is well known by Laure Caillard, Research and Development Manager at Herbignac Cheese Ingredients in Brittany. That's because her customers, including resellers and food manufacturers, have made it very clear what they want from their deliveries of mozzarella.
Consistency of the product and also, of course, quality, good functional properties of the product, good quality. For instance, a customer doesn't want the product burnt on the pizza. He needs to have a good stretch. He needs to have good spreading on the pizza. All these functional requirements are very important.
But as any dairy producer knows, achieving that consistency can be tricky when the nature of milk supply varies, for example from summer to winter. Unless, of course, you have one of these, a process control system from Foss. Based in the historic dairy-producing region of southern Brittany, Herbignac Cheese Ingredients has been in the business of cheese production for over 50 years, and today focuses on the production of shredded cheese and mozzarella blocks with an uncompromising approach to quality. A new plant was built especially for mozzarella production in 2007, including state-of-the-art equipment of which the ProcesscanTestimonial is an integral part. Production manager Thierry Mercereau explains the advantages.
When we have chosen to build this factory, we decided to move toward innovative processes as be able to increase yield and reduce the cost of manufacturing. So it's why we choose to invest in a continuous process of standardization of cheese milk, such as the ProcesscanTestimonial of Foss.
Inside the plant, the ProcesscanTestimonial monitors all the milk for parameters, such as fat and protein, by taking a measurement every few seconds. The measurement data is used by a software system called Process Touch, which automatically controls the flow of milk according to predefined targets. Project manager Karen Vallee describes how the system helps her to manage the milk coming into the process.
We've been working with the ProcesscanTestimonial since November 2008, so for 2 years, and we are satisfied with this online equipment. It controls the fat and protein content of cheese milk. It's our final cheese milk before the cheese department. It controls the addition of different use of ingredients milk. So by this way we obtain identical cheese milk tanks, and we obtain the same quality of the final cheese. So it is to have an homogeneous and steady composition in the cheese milk is a useful tool for us in order to drive the overall parameters of the cheese milk processing. At the start of the standardization, a sample is collected from each ingredient tank. We measure the fat and protein content, and we characterize each tank, and this data are used by the Process Touch in order to calculate the flow rate, the initial flow rate of each ingredient of cheese milk. So, and after, when it reaches the good target, it maintains the flow rate until the end of the standardization cycle. Blue line represents the measurement of the ProcessCan. Each 30 seconds, the ProcessCan analyzes the cheese milk, and it gives us results here. And after it calculates with these measurements the average weight in fat and protein of the tank. This is the white line, and the green line is the target of our recipe.
With the help of the process control technology, the team at Herbignac Cheese Ingredients can be sure to meet standards for the milk entering the cheese production, regardless of any fluctuations in the milk supply.
In modern dairy company, we have very often different fraction from the raw milk. We have protein fractions, different fat fractions, and all these ingredients need to be recombinated to form the standardized milk. 5 or 6 ingredients are very complicated. From one day to another, the composition of the milk is changing, and the ProcessCan is able to manage these changes without affecting the targets of the milk standardization. With the process control, to reach always during all the production process, we have the guarantee to reach these different targets regarding the standardized milk. So all these facts give us the possibility to reach this level of consistency that we want to have.